All right, so I'm Logan Smith III. For those who don't know, I'm not from Lubbock, Texas. I'm not from Lubbock at all. From Oakland, born and raised, live here in South Dallas, and I'm Senior Vice President here at Vista Bank. We are working towards creating the transformation that our community has always needed. That's why we acquired this building, converted it into an 11,000 plus square foot financial facility. So it's not just a bank. Most of the time people drive by and like, oh, I thought it was just a bank. Like, no, it's not just a bank. It's a financial facility that operates as a financial ecosystem. So we have our bank, the Financial Literacy Center, in which we hosted approximately just south of 100 programs and events in terms of teaching the community banking, financial literacy, entrepreneurship, partnership with the Lisa SVP Innovation Center and Foundations DEC, along with real estate, taxes, investments, you name it. We just want to be able to give the community a hand up while teaching our community how to fish and providing access to a quality fund for the community to fish on. Our whole targeted effort is creating economic development so that way we can put our community members in a position to create generational wealth. And that's not something that we can do by ourselves. It definitely takes a partnership, so we're very grateful and honored to have Lisa Dills, kind of the queen of this thing in terms of entrepreneurship education in all things. We have a signature program that we partnered together regarding the Path TS program, in which we're taking business owners from, you mind if I share a little bit on? All right, cool. From taking them from ideation startup to revenue generation, generate revenue for the business, to scaling their business, being pre-qualified for a traditional loan. And then at that point, Charles McGarrett, who is in here, he's our senior VP commercial lender. He and I, along with our partnerships, are getting entrepreneurs and business owners who historically haven't had a traditional commercial loan, actually having obtained their first traditional commercial loan. So we have done Lisa to thank a lot for that as we work together. We also have the Dallas Chamber of Commerce. Their office suite is here. If you're not familiar with them, definitely get connected. And we have right here in the middle our community center lounge, which we kind of consider like the living room of the facility. So we don't want to do this by ourselves. We know we can't do it by ourselves. So continue to partner with us, especially with Lisa in terms of our efforts and how we make this happen. I'd definitely be remiss if I did not give a shout out to Neil Lane, our community manager. She helps manage a lot of the things we do day to day in terms of community management. So if you need a great bank to work with, definitely come and see us. We're more than happy to earn your business as we put you first. And again, thank you for coming and joining us, and we look forward to great things to come.